Hello, my name is Miracle and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be posting analysis of my expectations on price, dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, and even the gold. Do also subscribe to get notified as soon as videos are uploaded. Thank you. This is the daily chart of the DXY dollar index and price is in between the two orange levels that are notated on this chart, and until price can close above the upper one, which is what I'm expecting, what I want to see. I want price to close above it and then use it as support before going up. So until price can do that, I'm on the sideline. So that's my expectation. I want to see price go above it, close above it, then comes back to tap it. When it touches it, that's where I've been expecting to see a reaction that will take it higher. This is a 4 hours chart of that same DXY, the same dollar index. So this is the first chart, and from the previous video I was talking of how I'm expecting price to go above this 4 hours CB and act as support for it. Price is yet to do that. You can see price is ranging in between the two daily level, the two orange daily level that we talked about in the previous video. So my expectation is to see price go above that 4 hours level, and when price goes above the 4 hours level, I'm expecting to see it act as a support for it to send price higher. That's my expectation watching this 4 hours chart. But until it closes above it, you're just on the sideline. Okay, this is the daily chart of the pound dollar GBPUSD, and from the last video I was talking of how I was expecting price to be bearish due to the buy side being taken and everything said on the dollar index. So I'm expecting price to be bearish, but there are some things we need to see before we can continue bearish. So on the daily chart, price went to tap. You see that dark box inside the orange one, that's the 4 hours level, which will be shown in the next chart. But for now, you can see price went and tapped there, went back to touch the white level inside the yellow box. That's a daily inversion fair value gap, and price went from the 4 hours to the daily inversion to tap it. So we'll be watching to see what will happen, but my expectation is lower. I'm expecting lower prices on GBPUSD, but we are watching to stay see and how things go from here. Now this is the 4 hours chart of the GBPUSD pound dollar, and you can see the 4 hours level I was talking about. Price went to touch the BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. You can see how price went to touch that on the 4 hours chart, and it even did that with just a week. But my expectation initially was for it to go and close below it and use it as resistance for going lower to that sell side annotated here. You can see how price just went and used the wick to touch it before going up to that white level. That white level is the daily level I was talking about in the previous chart. See how price is respecting this level. Now price is in between that white level and the dark level. I want to see price go below the dark one. If price closes above that white level in that yellow box, I would have to reanalyze. I have to reassess. But for now, I'm expecting price to go below that dark shaded box. Once it go below there, we're looking for the sell side. So that's my analysis on price. And price can be irrational. Price can behave in a manner that we don't expect. So this is not a strong, like, I'm not holding this bias forever. I'm watching to see how price behave. If price does something else, I'll have to reanalyze and reassess and not just stick to it forever, and not just stick to it like price must do my will.